your back, your hands over, your chin into the chest, and the neck is long, arms facing up. And inhale, exhale, right leg up. Everyone on the right leg up, and the other one's on the floor, whatever you can manage. Get into your breathing in this. The breathing is what will feed through and create the openness and create the memory of your higher consciousness in this. It will keep the memory of things being open, things being strong. Inhale, exhale down with that one, and then inhale, exhale up with the left one. And straight up. Breathing. One will be more predominant than the other. It will start to take the disparity out of the hips and the legs because we've got the fixed position with the pelvis and the pelvis is coming through. And inhale, exhale down. And we'll go both legs up. You happy with that?
Yes.
Alright, both legs up, straight up. And toes back to the shins. This is like your viparita or your half shoulder stand. Supported shoulder stand. So this will get the breath from the throat up into the skull and work that Udana, Prana and all those breathing up into the Ajna, the back of the skull, Bindu and the Sahasrara, crown center. Alright, now let's take the right leg back onto the ball and the other, once you get that toe onto the ball, take the other leg away. The emphasis being on the one onto the ball. Lock that leg in as much as you can and then work the other one to the degree that it'll work going away. So this will stabilise your hips, stabilise your lower back and work for your fire. And inhale, exhale, back up with that one, touch the toes. And we'll go the other side, inhale, exhale, left one down. And lock that in and then take the other one away to whatever degree you can. Just working with your breath, keep touching the big toe on the ball, it will give you the reference and the anchor. Another 3 or 4 breaths, stay with it. And we'll do one more either side, so come back up, touch the toes, and down again with the right leg, and away with the left, split with the left, shoulder stand. Very good for the legs and hips. And spine, and back up again, touch the toes, and down with the left leg, away with the other, and then back up with that one, touch the toes, lock the legs in. Now we're coming out, so drop your feet back over the ball, over the wheel towards the centre of the room. And then you reorganise your hands, then you walk out and let your wheel walk and inhale, exhale, coming back up to centre. So that's it. Very good. And once you're back up, just sitting and tuning into your, that was fabulous guys, tuning into your breathing. And you can hold the wheel and then just come very upright. And if you tune into your breathing, you'll find you'll be breathing nice and full and long and everything will be very elevated and very light. Literally, your body starts to talk to you from every cell of your being. And the beauty of this, done this way, is you amplify the nitric oxide in the nose, the slow breathing and rhythmic breathing and breath through the nose, which oxygenates all the 100,000 kilometres of blood vessels in your body and makes everything very uplifted and very energised. So you get a lot of prana and a lot of shakti from it. Because it's supported, you don't have to struggle with your breath doing it. And very gently opening your eyes. Fabulous.